Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shorts of Vlogs and Raw Talks with RK. Why I have been went in a disappear mode after the case studies and why now I have been came. There was a big research one has been happened in a recent times after the Congress party has been came into the power with in the Telangana. The many temples has been demolished, and recently an idol of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was also demolished in a bulldozer way. They have the many variations, means to speak with the committee members or to speak with the Hindu members, and then they can just demolish. And but they have used the bulldozer action. In actually, what is this bulldozer action mean? Without any information or anything, they just come, demolish, and they go. They just say that there is a small development here. Not only this Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj idol was not demolished. There are many temples has been demolished. Uh, Lord Shiva's temples, some Hanuman temples, some Ram temples. Sorry guys if you get any background disturbances because I'm in a small walk with this guy who is giving a torture to me. Go, and now let's go into the point. They have demolished many Hindu temples, Hindu architects in Telangana. They say now the fucking hypocrites and many political experts and economical experts says a fucking point called as we need the development in Telangana. For this case, we are demolishing the temples. But I want to ask so that to that so-called motherfucking hypocrites and many persons that why you are not asking about the churches and masjids, and why you are not asking the gurudwaras and many things. I'm very sorry to say that I'm not against of any religions, but I am against of the rules that the government is making, and they are just showing the pseudo democracy. Pseudo democracy means they are only supporting the Muslim parties. At coming faster in future, we are getting a GHMC elections. So I think I have many points to say on this point. Like that, the first point was is the Revant Reddy is doing his in a wrong politics and a wrong leadership. If the leader will be in a good position, the state will be in a good position. In this sentence, the state is referred not as a country here, it is referred as a constitutional place where the incidents are happening. And why the Congress government wants to only demolish the Hindu temples, not the Muslim mosque, and not why not the Christians church? Why they want to only target at the one point only Hindus? As the Revant Reddy is also a Hindu, then why he is not supporting the Hindu? That was not I'm not saying on the basis of that point, but I want to ask them all that why they are making this pseudo democratic things. Why the Hindus are not getting the proper rights as the Muslims and Christians? Why they are saying that you need to do the pujas at this time? Why you need to do this for only at this time? You need to not keep loudspeakers. But masjid where I stay, at the back of my home, there is a masjid called as Zamzam Masjid. Zamzam Masjid. The masjid has making the so nuisancetic sound by giving their azah and everything. Azah means the call for the people to come to the prayer. If the Muslim sees, you can get a comment. If the Hindu sees, just comment your opinion in the comment box. Okay? And why they are only why they are taking the taxes from only Hindu temples? Why they are not asking the taxes for Muslim temples? If the temple has a 50 years own time, why they are just demolishing it? Why the 50 years old back masjids or churches are not getting to be demolished? Why they are making the nuisance? Why they are making the nuisance with only Hindus? Why they are showing the partiality with the Hindu committee? Why they are being friendly with the Muslim committee? The answer for all these questions are only one thing, that is vote bank. Because in India, the vote bank half the vote bank is ruled by the Hindus, who are the majorities, and the minorities like Christian, Muslim, and many religions, and mainly the Muslims and Christians are considered as the minorities in the country because they do not have the much more population, which is not is equals to the or the equal to the Hindu population in India. So the every party, mainly as we seen in recent elections of Bengal party, the every Muslim has been supported. Some of the Muslims has been supported to the TMK, Trinamool Congress party, and remaining all the Hindus have been came one side and supported the Subhendu Adhikari, and he has been become the former CM of the state. And like that, here in the Telangana, we are just making the partnership. Sorry, I do not know the main what we called as the merging the parties. So here I have been taking the references of like partnership. Okay, please, if anyone see, just explain me what that point or the name is called, please. So we are taking the sharing seats from the MIM, which is a pure Muslimic party, Muslimic or Islamic party in the Telangana. Since when the MIM party has been came into the power in the Telangana, the BRS, BJP, BRS, Congress, the every party, if they want to win the Telangana, they need to get a shares of the Muslims and MIM party members. If they agree to the point, then they can be getting the point in the political way. And every Muslim wants this state or this country as a Muslimic country. When we go to the outside and if we ask a Muslim boy what you want to become in the future, they says I want to become the CM of the state, and I want to destroy the every Hindu temples. And in a recent meetings of this one, what we called the meeting of Akbaruddin OIC. Akbaruddin OIC has made many mistakes and many mistaking names by taking the we want to eradicate the Hindus from the state, and we want only the Muslims. Why they are not giving the rule or the help or the permissions to do the namaz or the prayers on the roads? Why they are giving the permissions to the Ganesh pandals, Durga Mata pandals, and every pandal? Why they are not giving? Because we do Ganesh pandal for the 11 days, Navratri for 9 days. That's it. We will be just removing the next day. After the Visarjan, we have been removing. Why you are not making to the masjid namazes of Bakrid and Ramzan on the road? Because if the government gives the support or the permissions to do the namaz on the roads, in case of any emergencies, like any critical person has been died, you will not able to move, because you say we are doing namaz, go from the next area. So, and one more thing I want to share mainly to the public is, please save our temples, save our culture, save our country. Every Hindu should be reacted. Once upon a time there was a name as Hindu Muslim Bhai Bhai, but at the time of 2026, there is a no slogan of Hindu Muslim Bhai Bhai, because if we are friendly with the Muslims, they take the advantages of our friendlyism, and they just say or do what they want to do, and what they want to make, they will make with you. So please be alert, make a friendship in a good way. I'm not saying the total Muslim community or the Muslim religion. I'm just against of the persons who are making this shit with the country, because in India there is a culture of we have a culture like every religion is important here. We give the main importance maybe to our God or the other gods, especially when I am crossing the road or doing any works at the morning time. At the time of morning, I get a call of namaz. I use it as a alarm to wake up. This video ended at 13 minutes 59 seconds. Signing off. So guys, please analyze this video with the recent issues of the Congress, and we need to take a serious action on the Congress party. If the youth will not be acting as a good guy and just they go to the parties, pubs, clubs, etc., we can't stay on the focus method. So please kindly take the action on the government, make the protest, and make everything as possible you want. So this is signing off, Mr. RK. This is Shirt Sir signing off.